Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
The Canadian dollar rose to a near three-week high against its US counterpart, as investors weighed the potential for Canada's economy to escape broad-based US tariffs and a report that Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau would resign. Global stocks rose while the US dollar index dropped to start the week, after President-elect Donald Trump denied a newspaper report that his incoming administration would likely pursue a less aggressive tariff policy than he previously threatened. Wall Street's main indexes rose to a one-week high as optimism around AI boosted semiconductor stocks, and a report suggested the incoming Trump administration could adopt a less aggressive stance on tariffs than previously anticipated.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. Gold prices edged lower in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. Crude oil prices saw moderate losses in the last session. The CCI is in overbought territory.
Prepare for market movements, as the economic calendar for the upcoming days includes a mix of high-priority and moderate-impact releases. These data points could create trading opportunities and drive price action across various sectors. These key releases could set the tone for trading in the near term. Understanding their potential impact will help shape effective investment strategies.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.